This 1-minute video will explain the difference between the 4 styles: mark and fold, cut and fold, the Combi, and the 180. Let's get started. Happy folding! There are 4 styles of folding. There's the mark and fold, cut and fold, the combination, and the 180 with cardstock. So let me show you the 4 different types. The first one is the mark and fold, as you can see in the home pattern. It's going to have 2 folds per page and give a really nice 3-dimensional look. The next is the cut and fold. As you can see, it has a really nice detail. It's going to have many cuts per page, and you're going to fold in every other tab. The next style is called the combination because it's a combination of the mark and fold and the cut and fold. Each page, as you can see, on the edges are going to have the mark and fold, and the inside is going to be the cut and fold. So that gives the benefit of both. The last style described in my book is the 180 with cardstock. As you can see, it gives a really nice splash of color. Each page is folded in 180, and then you fold the cut and fold every other tab and insert the cardstock. If you like what you see, you can purchase my book on Amazon or in my Etsy store. Thank you.